commencement of new session. DPS Rajbagh to start the session. We started our session on 8th as per the government orders, but now again the government order has come that it's off till partly. The government is giving us these instructions that when online you are supposed to teach class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th syllabus, but cut short some of the syllabus. But when the exams are going to come, now as per the government orders, they are going to complete, the complete syllabus is going to come in the exam. So from the very beginning, I've been telling all my parents, especially senior classes, everything is going to come. So even if the teacher leaves 2 chapters, there's no connectivity. If the child is not able to understand one, taking classes, and they have been satisfying you and your children this year also. We have pulled up our socks. We are going to work harder since there. I have allocated 3 classes, and I have made the coordinators for various classes. Then with the coordinator, with the subject teacher, with the class teacher, and if you have any query, if you have any problem, you can come to me in my office and you can meet me or
in charge for 3rd, 4th, 5th.
This is my coordinator for primary section. Shweta, and let me tell you parents, all the way from Mira Saab, she will be travelling till Satwari with our own arrangement, and she is going to board the bus from there. So I'm thankful to you, ma'am, because she wants to work in DPS, and that too she wants to teach your children. So it's a credit to the school that such kind of dedicated teachers are joining, that they are not even bothered about their times, and they're leaving so early at 6 o'clock in the morning and reaching by 6 o'clock. I'm sure you all are going to support my such dedicated teachers. Well done. She is Apurva. Okay, join. Pooja.
And the last but not the least, Miss Brownia. Now, our junior coordinator, Miss Rishu Sharma.
Again, I must tell you that she is the one, in 2 weeks she has made a difference in my school. Because she has got a dedicated team, all my teachers of class nursery, LKG, UKG are superb, and I'm sure under your guidance, under your leadership, they are going to excel more. So welcome to the self. You'll all do very well. All the best. God bless you. Please join, because there is another performance.
During the new coming session, and every teacher will explain you in the class groups whatever activities or whatever. Please, Sajinder ma'am, come and explain a little bit.
The teachers will be taking the classes on the Google Meet. They will be explaining the further procedures individually in the individual class groups. That would be more beneficial and more clear. So as per I am here, I just want to tell that anything related to class from class 9th to 12th regarding their academics, regarding the co-curricular activities, any behavior pattern or any help, if I would be of any kind of help you want me there.
Coordinator, Miss Akshi Baru. Right.
Cool. So this is my team. Their parents, teachers are there. First of all, good morning to all my viewers. On behalf of the management, Delhi Public School Rajbagh Kathua and Delhi Public School Junior, it's heartfelt welcome to all of you on board, whosoever is connected with us for 2021-22 session. Today it was a session for ice breaking. As you're aware, when you start new session, it's always with Saraswati Vandana, lighting of lamp, and then introduction of all my teachers and the coordinators, because sometimes parents are busy, they are not able to connect with the teachers. So today, introduction of my teachers and introducing my coordinators was for the benefit of my stakeholders, whether it's a parent or students. Because unless you know a person personally, you cannot connect. So today was a connection between our parents and this thing. And as you are aware, in Delhi Public School, Kathua is always leading in doing everything wonderful for the children. Last year also, during the pandemic, my staff, my teachers and all members, whoever, whether it's maids or driver or conductors, they did a wonderful job. And they gave 200%. And I'm thankful. And we are lucky that we have such supportive and beautiful management who are supporting us in every manner. They are completing all our demands. Only school in Kathua where 100% salaries have been given to the teachers without even cutting even a salary for one day. Though, as you are aware, the teachers have been spending so much of money from their own pocket for the internet connections and everything, because the management is so supportive that you want, each and every teacher wants to go ahead and give an extra mile. So I'm very, very proud. All you see the entire team of mine, my coordinators, my vice principal, who are working tirelessly, and those who are working for the upliftment, for the growth of our children. And I'm sure a day is going to be coming where every single child of my DPS is going to be IS officer, or going to NDA or IMA, or they are going to rock in the field of medical or engineering. NDAs, 2 children being selected for NDA, children are doing BTech, IITs, children are going and joining AFMC. So the credit goes to the parents because they are supportive. Whenever, whatever way I am telling them, they are giving that 100% to their child along with my teacher. So thank you so very much. Dear parents, you are the backbone of every school, because if the parents are not there, the children are not there, and we are not there. Our existence is only because of you, and from bottom of my heart, I want to thank each one of you for the wonderful support you have given, and looking forward the same support for the coming session also. Thank you so very much.